So AI, as you know, Microsoft is having a heavy push towards AI in all different scenarios, all different areas of Dynamics 365, and Power BI is one of the emerging technology that Microsoft has in their portfolio right now, and they are combining these two, AI with Power BI, in order to benefit the customers, in order to make sure that you utilize the data that you have in the best possible way. For example, you want to understand the data. There's a lot of data that you collect, but does it make sense to you? You want to understand the underlying patterns or underlying trends in order to make some best decisions for your business. So the Power BI and AI combined can do that for you. You don't need to write a single line of code. You just use Power BI and the AI capabilities within Power BI in order to make sense out of the data, and also it'll help you guide through those decisions, because it runs those patterns behind the scenes. It runs all the analysis behind the scene and gives you some, like for example, key influencers. Okay, there are some trends within the data, like for example, if you're a customer service industries, there are certain set of users at certain time frame they don't perform well, or maybe certain kind of issues they don't perform well with, so that you can help guide your users in order to improve their performance and things like that. Or maybe there is some data about some other aspects that influences your decision, so it'll bring out all those points within the data, so you don't need to sit looking at all the charts and data in order to figure that out. It does that for you automatically. So it's a really good combination of Power BI and AI, which is going to go a long way if you implement it right now.